Are you looking for the fuse box location in your Ford Fiesta 2009 to 2010? In this video, we'll quickly show you all fuse box locations, including the engine compartment and cabin area, and explain how they protect your hatchback vehicle's electrical system. Passenger compartment fuse box. The 2009 Ford Fiesta passenger compartment fuse box, Type 1, typically situated behind the glove box assembly, serves as the central hub for low-current interior electronics. It accommodates a series of standard blade fuses that regulate essential cabin functions, including the audio system, central locking, interior lighting, and instrument cluster data. This modular unit is engineered for compact accessibility, providing a direct point of intervention for troubleshooting common cabin-related electrical gremlins or intermittent peripheral power failures. The 2009 Ford Fiesta passenger compartment fuse box, Type 2, often found integrated into the central electrical junction unit beneath the instrument panel, handles a more complex distribution of both interior and supplemental body electronics. It features a dense, multi-layered layout designed to support higher trim levels and additional factory-fitted options, such as heated windshield circuits and advanced climate control sensors. This unit serves as a critical diagnostic junction for managing communication between the vehicle's convenience modules and primary cabin power supplies. The 2010 Ford Fiesta passenger compartment fuse box is typically located behind the glove box, serving as the central distribution point for the vehicle's interior electrical systems. It houses a variety of blade fuses that protect critical cabin components such as the instrument cluster, interior lighting, audio system, and power window modules. This modular unit is designed for efficient circuit management, allowing for straightforward diagnostic access when troubleshooting minor electrical malfunctions within the cabin. Engine compartment fuse box. The 2009 Ford Fiesta engine compartment fuse box is located in the engine bay, typically near the battery, and serves as the primary hub for the vehicle's high-load electrical systems. It houses critical fuses and relays that protect essential components, including the powertrain control module, cooling fans, starter relay, and lighting circuits. This unit is specifically sealed to protect sensitive electrical connections from moisture, road debris, and engine heat, ensuring the reliable operation of the engine and external lighting systems. The 2010 Ford Fiesta Type 1 engine compartment fuse box, positioned within the engine bay, acts as the primary distribution center for essential powertrain and high-load vehicle systems. It protects critical circuits such as the fuel pump, ignition coils, cooling fans, and the engine management system through a compact arrangement of blade fuses and heavy-duty relays. This weather-resistant unit is engineered to isolate high-current demands from the main wiring harness. The 2010 Ford Fiesta Type 2 engine compartment fuse box serves as a sophisticated distribution hub, often found in higher trim or specific regional configurations, to manage additional electrical loads. It houses a more complex array of fuses and relays that oversee advanced vehicle systems such as ABS modules, climate control fans, and supplemental lighting circuits. This unit is designed to handle higher current throughput and provide more refined circuit segmentation, ensuring reliable protection for the vehicle's expanded array of performance and convenience electronics. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.